Tow a trailer. I'm going to give you just one hint on towing a trailer.
Okay.
When you come into a spot like ours, for example, and you come into this driveway, you're going to turn to go to this front driveway here.
Okay.
You wouldn't normally go nose first into the shop because now your car is trapped in the shop. You can't get the car out.
Right.
So what you would do is you'd pull into this direction here. Your car is here, your trailer is here, and you're heading towards this front driveway. Obviously not hitting these trailers, okay?
Yeah.
You pull up this front trailer and your trailer and your car are still like this. And what you do with your car at the last minute is you
This is my car.
That's right. You turn like this.
Okay.
And that straightens out the trailer.
Okay.
Okay, so if you as you're going forward, you just turn real hard to the left, and your trailer is going to go.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you can look down the driver's side, which has a really good perspective of sight.
Okay.
Is down the driver's side, and then you can back it into my shop.
Okay. Yep, that makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you try to back it in the right-hand side, it's really hard to tell the distances with the right side.
Okay.
As the left side, you can see straight down the trailer.
All right.
Okay? So keep that in mind. You're coming into a spot. You want to park your trailer back here in my shop. You come in, you're like this. You're not straight, but you go like this and straighten out more.
So what's important is that the trailer gets straight versus the car.
Well, but the car does the straightening of the trailer.
Yeah,
So you
right,
gotta crank it like that.
Okay.
And then you back the car up, and the trailer's going to follow the direction you've already given it to point.
Okay.
Okay, so that helps you a lot.
Thank you so much.
If you back in that way, you don't have to take that sway control device off that I just installed.
Okay.
If you back in this way, for some reason your back car here, trailer here, and you're backing on the right-hand side, you got to take that sway control off.
Okay.
Okay?
And the reason for that is because
it's going to compress too far and collapse the sway control.
And you mean, when you mean collapse, you mean like I would get into a jackknife situation.
Jackknife, right.
Right, okay.
And this is going to run out of room here. It's going to slide all the way in. It's going to break the ball off.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
But that's extreme backing.
Yeah.
It's going to make you nervous. You're going to be afraid.
Okay.
Normal driving, try to always get the driver's side perspective of how to see down the side of the trailer.
Okay.
Always look down the driver's side. So when you come in here, you turn up here, your car and trailer are like this, and then you turn like that, and then you can back it in nicely down into my shop.
Okay, that's
Okay?
great. Thank you.